Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone, and especially for my intelligent lecturer Puan Syahidah binti Nordins. So this is my comrades Nur Mariana binti Raizans and me Khairul Zulkarnain bin Mazlans. Next Fatiliana binti Rosli, and last Nurin Izni binti Azhar. So we will teach you guys and present you guys about annuity and trade and cash discount. So right now I will continue to explain to you guys about trade and cash discounts. What is trade and cash discount? Okay, for trade discount, first we have list price. List price is LP. It is the price that offered before trade discounts. Net price and P, the price that's offered after reduction in prices. They have three content in trade discounts. First, the difference between list price and net price. Second, must be calculated on the list price. And third, must be based on the cost of goods, excluding any other costs. So, the formula, as you can see here. And next, cash discount. A reduction in the price paid for a product or service if you pay with cash within a certain specified period of time. It is because to encourage prompt payment of bill. For example, net 30 or N/30. It is mean no cash discounts offered and payment must be made within 30 days of the invoice date. So the next example is 3/10 and net 20. This means supplier offer 3% discount if the invoice is paid within 10 days or the full amount must be paid in 20 days. As you can see the formula for cash discounts.
I'm Nur Mariana, so I will explain what is definition and annuity. So first, a series of usually equals payments made at usually equals interval or time. Example, shop rental insurance policy. Third, payments are made at the end of the payment period. This is a formula to find future value, present value, and find total interest. So for question 1, Hazim bought a townhouse for 383,300 ringgit. He made a 10% down payment and the balance was borrowed for a bank which charges interest of 3.85% compound monthly for 25 years. So the question is find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. B, if Azim failed to pay for the first 4 payment, find the amount should he pay on the 5 payment to settle all the outstanding areas. C, calculate the outstanding balance if Azim decided to settle his loan 2 years early. Solution answer 1A, find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. We use formula A equals R 1 minus bracket 1 plus K over M power minus M multiply T over K divided M. So we should substitute all the information we get and we should solve bracket first, and the final answer we get 1,790,243 cents. And to find total interest charge, we should use formula I equals N multiply R minus A and substitute all the information, and the final answer we get for interest charge 192,759 ringgit. So for question B, we should find the amount should he pay on the 5 payment to settle all the outstanding area. So keyword is R 1,790,243 cents, K is 0.0385, M is 12, and T is 5 over 12 because we should find 5 payment. And the solution we should use formula S equals R bracket 1 plus K over M over M multiply T minus 1 over K divided M. And we should substitute all the information refer on formula, and the final answer we get 9,090 ringgit and 84 cents. And for the last question is C. The keyword we get is R equals 1,790,243 cents, K is 0.0385, M is 12, T is 2. So to find N, we should N multiply 2 and the answer for N 24. So for the solution, we should use formula A equals R 1 minus bracket 1 plus K divided M power minus multiply T over K divided M. So substitute all the keywords refer for the formula, and the final answer we get 41,340 ringgit and 6 cents. That's all for me.
And invoice date 1 May 2023 for RM 5,750 inclusive of RM 300 transportation charge is paid on 21 May 2023. If the trade discount is 20% and the cash discount terms are 5%, 5%, 4 per 30 and per 60, find A the trade discount offered, B the cash discount if entitled, and C the amount paid. For question A, need to find the trade discount offered. The keyword given in question is LP list price equals 5,750 and the trade discount rate 20%, but must change to decimal, so 0.20. I use formula DD equals LP multiplication D. D is trade discount rate, LP is list price. So the answer in bracket 5,750 minus 300 multiplication 0.20. So the trade discount is RM 190. for question B, we need to find the cash discount if entitled. But the net price is not given in the question, so we need to find the net price. I use formula net NP equals LP minus TD. The answer in bracket 5,750 minus 300 minus 1,090. So the NP net price is RM 4,360. After that, we can proceed to search to find cash discount. I use formula CD equals NP multiplication DC cash discount. The answer 4,360 multiplication 0.04. So the cash discount is RM 174.40 cents. For question C is to find the amount paid. I use formula payment equals LP in bracket 1 minus DT discount rate in bracket again 1 minus DC cash discount plus OC. The answer 5,450 in bracket 1 minus 0.20 in bracket again 1 minus 0.04 plus 300. So the answer is RM 4,485.60 cents.
Okay, for the part B question 1, 5 years ago, Madam Christina had invested 300 at the end of every month into an account that offered 4% interest compounded monthly. If beginning of this year she took out 200 at the end of every month from the account, determine the length of time in years. Can she do that? Okay, for the solution is, we will use this two formula. And step 1, we will search for S first, and we just need to substitute the value into the formula. So we will get S equals to 300, 1 plus 0.04 over 12, and we need to divide it by 0.04 over 12 minus 1. And at the end, we will get the S equals to RM 19889.69. For the step 2, we will search for the years. We will use the second formula, which is A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I minus N. And we will over it with I. We will get the 1, you just need to substitute the S into the R, into the A. So we will get 19889.69 equals to 200. In the bracket, we will put it 1 minus 1 plus 0.04, 12. And the end will be negative 12t. And then we will move the 200 at the left side, and everything at the right side will be the same. And then you will calculate the right side, and we will get the 99.4485 times with 0.0412. After you calculate it, you will need to use log on the both sides to get the log 0.6695, 05.66 over log 1, 0.0, and the 7 of 3. And then you will finally get the answer 10.08 years. And then this will be our final answer for T.
So my question is part B question 2. Hijau Bumi Sdn Berhad received an invoice date 25 April 2023 for the purchase of 30 units of tablets. The transportation cost was 750 ringgit and the net price after trade discounts of 10% and 8% was 5,500 ringgit. The cash discount terms were 5/10, 2/20 and N/30. The question asks us to calculate the single discount rate equivalent to the given trade discount rate. We need to list down the keywords. So for the first discount is 10 and the second discount is 8%. Then we go to the solutions. First we need to write the formula. D equals 1 minus in bracket 1 minus D1 and another bracket 1 minus D2. So we just substitute 0.10 into D1 and 0.08 into D2. So after we get the answer, we need to multiply by 100% because it won in percents. So the final answer is D equals 17.2%. So for the next questions, B, the list price and trade discounts of the items. First, like usual, we need to list down the keywords to make us easy to answer the questions. This is the keywords. So we need to find the list price. We will use the formula of NP equals LP in bracket 1 minus D1, another bracket 1 minus D2. So we just substitute 55,500 ringgit on NP and 0.10 into D1 and 0.08 into D2. So after we get the answer on the right side, we will move to the left side. We will get 55,500 ringgit divided by 0.828 equals LP. So the final answer, we will get 67,028 ringgit 96 cents. Then we need to find the trade discounts. We will use the formula TD equals LP minus NP. So we just substitute the number into LP and NP. Then we get our final answer is 11,528 ringgit and 96 cents. And the next question is C, the last date to receive the 2% cash discount. So how to solve these questions is we need to do this table. We will do the month on the left side and day on the right side. And the final answer, we will get 50 May 2023. So we continue to the last question of our presentations. The amount paid if full payment was made on 4 May 2023. First, we need to list down the keywords to make us easy to answer. And next, we will calculate how many days from the invoice dates until 4th May. What we get is 9 days. which is 5% cash discount. The solution is we need to use the formula of payments equals LP in brackets 1 minus D1, another bracket 1 minus D2, and last bracket 1 minus DC, and plus OC. OC is other cost. So after we get the answer, the final answer is 53,474 ringgit and 98 cents. So first of all, I want to thank to Puan Shahida because she helped us a lot during we do these assignments, and thank you for you guys for give us your attentions. And that's all from us. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.